They want you to fly, but I already died. It's been so long, I don't even cry. For one.
Looking going pretty, boy.
I'm third generation YN, OG now and I'm still grinding. They say I'm getting old, this the perfect time, man. Ain't too many made it to the places I've been. I feel like I'm alive, but I'm still not here through all the pain and the love, and it made me stronger. People out here want trip, man, I don't even cry tears. I guess I'm just a man, why I still resign here. Sun still shining, I can see the signs here, but everybody love you when you finally disappear through all the ups and downs. I've been doing this for years, putting time in, so I can really see these ends. I don't want this shit for me, I wanna give it to my kid. I seen tragedy and trauma from the places that I live. Some ain't coming back and say the rest is doing biz. Counting on my blessings while I'm still right here, yeah. They want you to fly, I already died. They want you to fly, but I already died. It's been so long, I don't even cry. They want you to fly. It's been so long, I don't even cry.